Listed as one of Singapore's heritage brand, Komala Vilas owes its origins to then 16-year-old Mr. Marujia Raju, who traveled to Singapore from his native hometown, Tamil Nadu in India in 1936. With just a suitcase and his passion, he landed a job at an Indian restaurant and in 10 years' time, managed to save up and bought over the restaurant. Thus Komala Vilas started operations in 1947 along Serangoon Road in Little India. Mr. Marujia Raju started serving vegetarian meals true to its culinary tradition originating from Tamil Nadu on fresh banana leaves. Over the years, to uphold Mr. Marujia Raju's legacy by adhering to his original recipes and by offering authentic traditional Indian vegetarian cuisine that are continued to be enjoyed by locals, expats and tourists today. Having opened its doors in 1947, Komala Vilas, one of Singapore's oldest Indian vegetarian restaurant, has become a household name. Komala Vilas, along with its neighboring sweet shop selling traditional Indian sweets and snacks, is one of the biggest mainstays of Little India. As a tribute and nod to its long legacy in Singapore, Singapore's Prime Minister Mr. Lee Hsien Loong shared a meal at Komala Vilas with India's Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi on November 23, 2015. Komala Vilas is a proud bearer of the Singapore's heritage brands and listed as one of the places to visit and eat by the Singapore Tourism and Singapore Heritage Boards. Today, Komala Vilas conjures fond memories of delicious dosas, sumptuous thali meals and aromatic South Indian coffee among their patrons. Singaporeans, Indians, tourists and vegetarians around the world continue to seek out Komala Vilas. Indian food is rooted in the principle that food should provide nutrition for your body and balance for the life. They aim to provide this nutrition and balance in an authentic setting. There are two types of Indian cuisine: the South and North Indian. South Indian food is a brilliant blend of flavors, colors, and texture. A typical traditional meal in South India is served on a freshly cut banana leaf. The cuisine is renowned for its delightful blend of rice and lentils prepared into sattvic meals consisting of delicious dosas, vadais, idlis, and uttappams. North Indian cuisine is characterized by its thick, moderately spicy and creamy gravies alongside with tandoori roti and naans as staples. The meals are hearty and rich with dried fruits and nuts. The variety of sweet and savory dishes will awaken all your aromatic senses. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one.